the shadows intertwine, dancing together on us, and between us, I'm not afraid. Wide open, holding each other free, I eagerly surrender as this love of many lifetimes invades and overwhelms me, stirring and awakening the mysteries that have long slept in my soul. Your fingers exploring the secrets of my immortality, unlocking synchronicity.